The gavel drops. Court is now in session with Judge Vonda B. Case number JVB.065, the McIntosh case. The courtroom settles as Mr. McIntosh steps forward, ready to speak his truth.
All rise. Support court with Judge Vonda B. is now in session. Judge's case number JVB.1065, McIntosh case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. McIntosh, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, I think she needs to pay child support.
Okay, just straight like that?
Yeah, straight. I want to get straight.
Right away, he makes his demand. He wants child support. Nothing more, nothing less. But the judge raises an eyebrow. His tone is cold, detached. Does he want fairness, or is this something else?
To the point, I just want nothing to do with it. I just want child support.
All right. Do you really know her? You just said like you don't want nothing to do with it, like you just met her yesterday.
Well, I thought I did.
Okay, tell me about it.
Well, it started off like every other fairy tale, you know. Everything was hot, bad. Everything cooking good. Good loving. So we got a kid.
Okay.
We'll say, okay, so when the kid arrived, that kind of changed. You know, Daddy got put on the back burner. And, you know, sometimes I'm not understanding. I say, what happened?
He recalls the early days, love, laughter, and passion. Then, the baby arrived. Overnight, he says, all attention shifted. The romance faded. Dad claims he was pushed to the background, forgotten.
Happened to Dad, you know, you let the kid go to sleep or something. Don't just forget about me. So it was all about, you know, I got the baby. No, put the baby to bed.
Well, you wanted to tend to the baby, right?
Yeah, what else I'm gonna do?
Well, not that much. Don't just forget about me.
I mean, it's
You
a
forgot
child.
about
Don't help
Daddy.
around the house. You know, it's just
It's
all
a
about the
child,
baby.
though.
It's just all about the baby.
The baby don't
what
know
happened to
better.
baby?
Yeah, but you can't forget about Daddy.
Exactly.
Forgot
What's the
about
baby
Daddy.
gonna do? You an adult.
See, forget about it. See what I'm talking about?
It's a child.
Cannot forget about Dad. And once that's a baby. That baby sleep 8 hours a day.
No, still gotta feed the baby. I gotta make sure the baby's clothes and everything. There's a lot of work to put into taking care of a kid.
There really
You an
is.
adult, so you know how to take care of
I'm
yourself.
helping. She's not doing nothing by herself. I am also helping.
The judge reminds him, raising a child is work, not rejection. But Mr. McIntosh insists he helped. He cooked, he cared, he gave Mom breaks. Still, he says she abandoned him emotionally. After 6 years together, he feels cast aside.
So once I always give her a break, so I can get some daddy time, some us time, get that back. You know, it was great at first, but it just
You say at first, how long were y'all together?
6 years.
That's a long time to be together.
Yeah, but
Okay.
then the baby just popped up, and I'm like, you know, she forgot about me. And so I try to, you know, let me take care of the baby. Let me let you rest, so you can start back paying attention to me.
All right.
And that don't seem.
Do y'all
like-
still live together?
That don't. No, that don't seem to.
Not anymore.
All right.
Not anymore.
Okay, how old is the child now? I'm assuming it's not a baby anymore.
The child's about 6.
6, okay.
Yeah, had him right kind of early.
Okay.
And that kind of, I think that kind of threw it off a little bit by us having a kid so early, and it should have waited a little while. But hey, baby wanted to come, so baby's here now. So
So the baby wanted to come.
the baby wanted to be here. So like I said, I help out to try to get, you know, give her a break or something. Maybe bring up some wine and cook for her every night. I don't like, you know, but it don't seem to. It's just like I guess you're gonna do that after.
Mom steps in. Her voice cracks but stays firm. She speaks of postpartum depression, an invisible struggle her partner never tried to understand. The judge leans forward. This is not a trivial matter. It's a battle many mothers face.
I don't know what you call it after the baby's here. That's some kind of phase you go through.
Okay.
Where you're not paying attention to
Postpartum.
Daddy. Yeah, what you
Exactly.
said. Yeah.
That's serious. Postpartum is a serious thing to go through. So of
It
course
is.
it's gonna be a
Nah,
disconnect.
not for 5 years.
How you gonna tell a woman that postpartum is something that's terrible to go through? How you never been through it? So how do you know?
Yeah, I'm waiting on that explanation too.
Please tell
Well,
me.
I don't know. I don't know. But all I know is I help out to try to, you know, help out with the baby to try to understand what you're going through. That's why I
It's
try. That's why I
mental
take.
issues.
That's why I
Can
try
we
to.
stop referring to this 6-year-old as a baby?
That's.
It's my
I try
child.
to. take care of our child.
But you need to be able to tend to me and the child and try to understand where I'm coming from, because depression is a mental thing. You know, there's medication. Some people have suicidal thoughts. You don't even know you never even tried to ask me what I was going through or how I even felt.
She makes a good point.
Okay, I'll take that.
It takes a lot. It takes a lot for you to understand where I'm coming from. You can't just assume, okay, I'm not just trying to tend to you. I have to tend to my mental health and...
Then, the twist. Mom admits she ended up behind bars. The reason? She discovered Mr. McIntosh was cheating. Fueled by anger and betrayal, she snapped. The courtroom shifts. The judge wants answers.
My child, that takes a lot of work.
But I can't read your mind. I don't know.
But you never tried to even talk to her, try to understand me from that point.
Did the two of you come here to waste my time?
I mean, he's the one that called it in here. I'm just here. I mean, he obviously wanted me to do something.
Obviously, and I'm just trying to get to what that something
both of our
is.
times.
I want full custody and I want child support.
Okay.
How you gonna get full
The
custody
child
when I'm
live with
taking
you?
care of the kid?
It's kind of between right about now. But I think I could take care of him better since she can't keep a job.
I've been with the kid longer, so I mean, I'm not working right now, so I'm at home with the kid all the time.
So if she's not working, she behind bars.
Wait a minute. Behind bar.
Yeah,
Wait a minute, Mr. McIntosh. Let me move over here to her so I can hear her side of the story. What is this behind bars?
Well, because of how he's been feeling. Okay, he's been feeling neglected because I was having issues with depression and taking care of my kids. So he decided to step out. So, you know, me and my girl did some digging.
He defends himself. He says he's in the music business, producing artists, earning money, and able to provide more. But his story wavers. Late nights, side girlfriends. Mom says his priorities were never their child.
And I found out he stepped out on me. So you know what? I had to find out where the girl went, where she worked at.
So you went and found his new girlfriend?
I worked her butt.
He did not have to
did.
jump on her.
While she was at work?
I did. Because he's not about to play me after all this stuff I've been doing with his kid. He's not about to do that.
That's a little ratchet.
Yeah,
No
so
reason.
I did. I did.
There was no reason.
It's nothing
That
else
was
I can
uncalled
do.
for.
I did it.
So you have a case pending on you?
I do. Unfortunately, I do. But you don't cheat on me after all this work I've been putting in taking care of your child. You gonna cheat on me? No, it's not gonna fly.
Oh.
Well, what happened to the depression? What happened to all that? You can't
it's in there. That's one of the side
You
effects.
fight my new girlfriend.
That's one of the side
What was the baby
effects.
while you
though.
fighting?
That's one of the side effects.
That's a great question.
Yeah,
What
you
was the
fighting
baby
with a
while
baby.
you were fighting?
Because I'm upset, I'm mad, and then you're not even
And y'all
trying
have
to
me
make
saying,
me
baby,
feel
what
better.
was the
What
child
was the
while
child while you
you
were
were
fighting my girlfriend?
Oh, that was taking care of my sister was watching the
Your
kid.
sister?
She was.
Was she in jail with you?
No, she was watching the kid, and she bailed me out.
Oh.
She was there for me. You
Her
weren't.
sister bailed her out.
You were there.
Her
She was there
sister
for
was
me.
there.
So I guess
for her,
you talk
you
to your
weren't.
sister. You won't talk to me.
Mom explains her reality. She's unemployed, struggling, relying on her sister for support and childcare. Yet she never filed for child support, she says, because she didn't want to be malicious.
Because you
You
don't
talk
even
to your
try
sister,
to.
but you can't talk to
You don't
me.
even try. I've tried to talk to you.
It seems like you guys can't really talk to each other without getting
Obviously
into
not,
it.
because you don't even try to listen to
I'll
me.
go back to
No.
my original
Yeah.
question. So who does the child stay with majority of the
Me.
time?
He stays with me, Your Honor.
Okay, so you said that the baby was better off with you because she has a assault case.
She got a soul case.
But she didn't
can't
do it in
keep a
front of
job.
the-
She can't keep a job.
How
Okay,
can I
what do
keep
you
a
do
job
for a
when I'm taking care
living?
of the kids?
I'm in the entertainment business.
What does that mean?
I produce.
Yeah, he
What are you
producing, all right.
producing?
I got several artists I'm trying to produce right now in the music business. So
Oh, okay.
Yeah, late night.
The judge listens, but patience is running thin. The facts are clear. The child lives primarily with mom. Mr. McIntosh cannot demand support when custody isn't his. His case collapses before him.
Okay.
Producer.
Have they already produced some music?
it's kind of iffy right now, but I think they're gonna be okay.
And what kind of money are you making?
I'm making about 85,000.
Okay. All right, and you said you're unemployed right now.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened to your job?
I had to quit because I was taking care of the kid full time.
Okay. So the child lives with her.
Stays with me.
Okay. Why didn't you file anything for today for child support?
I wasn't thinking hard. I didn't want to be malicious towards him. or anything, so I didn't feel the need I had to. So that's just where I stand on that.
Okay. Is your sister also helping you with that criminal case?
She is.
Okay.
And she also helps me watch the kid if I'm needing to do anything, like any grocery shopping or anything. She helps me.
All right. So where does Dad come in?
I mean, he's rarely around. I mean, he's doing this little producing thing and stuff and meeting up with late women and stuff. You know, that's why I had this little charge. So, I mean, that's what he's doing.
It's a little charge?
I mean, it's an assault charge, but I mean, it is what it is at this point. It already happened, so.
Okay. I do agree with that. Well, sir, I'm not going to grant your request for child support today.
I am not manipulating women. I got one girlfriend and you jumped on her.
You are. No, there's
You tell the
plenty
judge
more.
about your sister.
It's
She going back to
plenty
jail.
more. It's plenty more.
Oh,
How you
okay.
know?
Well, guess what? I don't have
sources.
time to hear about all of these little rendezvous today. I have other things to do, and you obviously came here to waste my time. So I'm going to deny your relief, like I said, and dismiss your case because it's obvious that the child stays with mom primarily. You didn't dispute it when she said it. Therefore, I don't have a choice.
With one firm decision, Judge Vonda B. dismisses the case. But she adds a warning. If Mom had filed today, Mr. McIntosh would likely be paying support himself.
But to dismiss it. And mom, on the other hand, if she comes back in here and says she wants child support because had she filed something today, you would actually be placed on child support.
In her closing words, the judge breaks it down. Child support follows the child. Dad's frustration doesn't outweigh the facts. And if Mom chooses to return, the law will not be on his side.
Attention from mom after the two of them brought a child into this world. Well, you also heard mom say that she been unemployed because she was the one staying home and pretty much taking care of the child. Well, can you put somebody on child support if the child does not live with you? Technically, no, you cannot. Dad wanted to place mom on child support, but after you heard both of them testify, it was obvious that the child primarily lived with mom. Therefore, dad would not be entitled to any child support benefits. Well, what is something else that you heard? Mom said that she didn't want to bring dad to court to place him on child support. But the reality of it is, guys, if mom had filed a petition at the same time that dad filed his petition for child support, there's a high likelihood that dad would have been placed on child support in that particular scenario. So if for any reason she wants to come back later and place dad on child support, if the child is still staying with her, she may be